Are you having trouble with your Arris router? Don't worry, in this video, we'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix your Arris router. Let's get started. Step 1. Check power cables and connections. First, make sure your router is plugged in and powered on. It sounds obvious, but loose cables or a power outage can cause connection issues. Verify that all cables are securely connected. Step 2. Restart your router. Next, try restarting your router. Unplug the power cable, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can often resolve minor glitches. Step 3. Check indicator lights. Look at the indicator lights on your router. They can tell you a lot about what's going on. A solid green light typically means everything is working fine, while blinking or red lights may indicate a problem. Step 4. Reposition your router. The placement of your router can impact your Wi-Fi signal. Make sure it's in a central location, away from walls and obstructions, and elevated if possible. Step 5. Reduce interference. Other electronic devices can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. Keep your router away from cordless phones, microwaves, and other electronics. Step 6. Reset to factory settings. If you're still having trouble, you might need to reset your router to its factory settings. Be aware that this will erase all your custom settings, so use it as a last resort. To do this, find the reset button, usually a small hole, and use a paperclip to press and hold it for about 10 seconds. And there you have it. If your Arris router wasn't working, these steps should help you get back online. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.